Hi, Omar Clore here, and I want to show you how I get a mirror-like finish on my 3D printed restorations after candy coating them with Ivoclar's Trans Opal. Credit goes out to Dr. Wally Renne and the Mod Institute, who pioneered all this. I went to his course in Charleston and watched him get a mirror finish in just a couple of minutes, but for some reason I always struggled. So I've been experimenting with different things and finally found an easy way to do this for us who may not have Wally's magic touch. So this is my setup. Petri dish full of glycerin, curing light, heat gun, alcohol-soaked 2x2, Trans Opal of course, and some tweezers. I tried at least 10 different tweezers, and these are by far my favorite. Ceramic tipped, super strong grip that doesn't damage your restoration or leave any marks. I would definitely make sure to remove all the supports. This was just an extra veneer I'm using as an example for this video. Start off by cleaning not just any remaining resin off of the restoration, but any specks of dust, because anything still on there will be embedded. Once it's clean, go ahead and start putting the Trans Opal directly on the restoration. It'll take some practice to know how much exactly you want to put on. You don't want to do too little, but also don't want to do too much and make your restoration bulky. Once you have a decent amount on there, start working it not with a brush, but with the tip of the syringe itself. Spread it to all parts of the surface if you can. It won't look perfect, but you want to get it evenly distributed. Once it looks something like this, go ahead and hit it with the heat gun for 10 to 15 seconds from about 10 inches away. You'll see the Trans Opal even out perfectly. When you're done, it should look like this, perfectly even. If you see little spots like this that look dry, just go ahead and add a little bit more. You usually won't need to do the heat gun again because it seems to disperse perfectly. Once it looks like this, you can add your Empress Direct colors like Dr. Renne does in his video. I'm skipping that part for this demonstration only. Go ahead and cure it, then add a little bit more to the other side where your tweezers were. Cure again. Toss it into the glycerin, make sure it's completely submerged, and run it through the nano cure. Once it comes out, just rinse it with water and then start polishing. I've tried a million things now to get a good polish, and the way that's been working for me the best now is using these diamond pastes. 8,000, 50,000, and 200,000 grit. I use this felt wheel for the 8,000 and the 50,000, then the cotton wheel for the 200,000 grit. I highly recommend doing this in a box like this, otherwise you will spend a lot of time trying to find veneers that flow across the room. And that's how I get a finish like this. Hope this helps.